Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu has also taken cognizance as he shares a post on the canopy crash in the Delhi airport. He has posted on the crash and has said that he is monitoring the situation currently and has also said that the emergency officials are currently at the spot asking them to ensure all help to the passengers. But Akanksha has also been reporting from the spot and several passengers are left in the lurch. They've arrived at Delhi Terminal 1. They don't know where to go next. They've been informed that they should go to Terminal 2 and 3 for their departures. Is that going to overburden the infrastructure? That remains a question. The people who are going to the Delhi Terminal 2 or 3, some of them don't even have clarity on the same. They're not sure whether they should go to Terminal 2 or whether they should go to Terminal 3. So a lot of chaos that still continues in the Delhi airport. Akanksha, you were speaking to a few passengers. They mentioned that they've been there as early as 6:30 a.m. In the latest, the departures from Terminal 1 have been suspended. Are the passengers aware of what's happening? What are the efforts that the officials are taking to ensure that it goes on smoothly from here?
Well, just a while back, there were a lot of passengers here, but just a few moments back, there was bus who boarded all of them one by one to either Terminal 2 or 3. But many of them who are currently here have no clarity as to what happened to their flight, whether it was cancelled or it has been shifted. Their flight will be from some other terminal. We are joined by one of the passengers here. Is there any clarity, sir? Have you been given any clarity on where your flight?
Go T2 or T3 and just see your options, what options we have, and the flight has been cancelled. Is refund you get the by default mode. So
you get the refund or you get the flight from Terminal 2?
No, flight they will not providing. You go and choose the flights if you want to fly somewhere, but the flights you schedule from here is going to be refund.
Okay, so there's also a lady here with a kid. Ma'am, आप कब से यहाँ पे फंसे हुए हैं सुबह से?
सुबह से ही आए हुए हैं 5 बजे से ही।
अच्छा, हाँ। तो अभी आपको कोई क्लैरिटी दी है कहाँ से आपकी फ्लाइट होगी, कौन से टर्मिनल से, या कैंसिल हो गई?
कैंसिल हो गई है।
अच्छा,
आज अभी कैंसिल होगी, उन्होंने कहा रिफंड कर देंगे, आप घर चले जाओ। अब घर जा रहे।
So let me go across and speak to more people here. आपको कोई क्लैरिटी दी गई है एयरलाइन के द्वारा, अथॉरिटीज के द्वारा?
बोला गया है T3 से रीशेड्यूल की गई है फ्लाइट, उन्होंने कहा।
तो कहाँ से, कौन से टर्मिनल?
टर्मिनल 3 बोला था अभी।
टर्मिनल 3 से।
जी।
So you see all the flights till 2 o'clock have been cancelled from the Terminal 1, the departure here. This entire area has been closed, cordoned off because all the
Okay, so that's a big